Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Opal Sukata Chuangsri, the newly crowned Miss Universe Thailand 2024, emerged victorious in a highly anticipated and televised pageant held at MCC Hall in Bangkok. Her crowning moment was made even more special as she received the title from Antonia Porcild, the outgoing queen and Miss Universe 2023 first runner-up. Opal is now set to represent Thailand at the Miss Universe 2024 pageant in Mexico. With aspirations to becoming the third Thai woman to win this prestigious international title, at just 21 years old, Opal Sukata Chuangsri has already demonstrated remarkable resilience and determination. A breast cancer survivor, her journey to the crown is an inspiring testament to her strength and courage. Opal is currently pursuing a degree in politics and international relations at Thammasat University, one of Thailand's most esteemed educational institutions. Standing at an impressive 5'11", Opal's presence on stage is commanding and graceful. Her previous experience in pageantry includes securing the position of second runner-up at the Miss Universe Thailand 2022 pageant, which undoubtedly contributed to her poise and confidence in this year's competition. The Miss Universe Thailand 2024 pageant featured 40 contestants from across the country, all vying for the coveted title. Among them, Surisa Susana Renaud emerged as the first runner-up, while Karutai Tasabot claimed the position of second runner-up. Completing the top 5 were Bonisa Chantrakachai, who was named third runner-up, and Maitai Suryanyung, who took the fourth runner-up spot. And each contestant brought unique qualities and talents to the stage, showcasing the diverse beauty and talent of Thai women. Opal's victory is not just a personal achievement but also a moment of pride for Thailand, as she prepares to compete on the global stage later this year. She carries with her the hopes and support of her nation. Her story of overcoming adversity and striving for excellence resonate deeply, making her role model for many. Opal Sukata Chuangsri's journey to the Miss Universe 2024 is a beacon of inspiration, and her potential to bring home the crown is eagerly anticipated by her supporters. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!